I hope you came here for the bonuses because I got them. Now, before we get started, though, please click on the first link in the description if you want to work with my personal internet marketing team that will coach and mentor you to making $10,000 per month. This is the dream team of marketers, and trust me, they don't hold anything back. Now, for your free bonus number one, you're going to get the step by step process on how to make money on Google with AI content. You're going to unlock the money making potential of AI with this step by step guide to generating consistent passive income with automated content. You're going to learn how to create AI powered assets, scale your online presence, and you're going to leverage your search engine optimization. This proven framework works for anyone willing to follow the process. So stop trading your time for money and start leveraging AI content to establish true financial freedom. Now, for your free bonus number two, you're going to get my personal list of 9 real websites where rich people literally give away free money. This extensive list reveals virtually unknown resources that give away real money with no strings attached. You're going to simply follow the steps outlined to apply and claim your share of thousands in free cash assistance, debt relief, and no payback funding. With this guide, you can uncover little known programs that are ready to help you get free money today. Now, your free bonus number three, you're going to get access to hundreds of done for you stock videos. You're going to elevate your video marketing with instant access to hundreds of high quality, done for you stock videos. Now, this massive stock video collection, it covers all popular niches and categories to suit any project. Just download and use. You're going to save hundreds on expensive stock footage by leveraging these 4K and HD clips in social media, websites, or pretty much any subject or niche at all. So go ahead and get these bonuses for free by clicking on my link below. It's going to be the second link in the description. Go ahead and get started. And here we go with the review. Thank you.
Cloud storage platform to store, manage, and share your business files at a single place. Whether you're an e-com business owner, an email marketer, an affiliate marketer, a product creator, a SaaS owner, a webinar presenter, an info product owner, or anyone else working in the digital marketing universe, you can't ignore the huge worth of having a trustable cloud storage platform at any cost. So if you're too sick and tired of paying monthly subscriptions to cloud storage solutions like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc., which have tons of limitations and restrictions who don't understand your business and block the growth of your business, or if you're blocking the growth of your own business and not using cloud storage due to monthly charging services, then I've got some great news for you today. Introducing PrimeCloud AI. Next generation Google Drive killer technology lets you store, backup, share, and host unlimited files, images, videos, and audios in the cloud at lightning fast speed for an unbeatable one-time price. PrimeCloud AI saves you hundreds of dollars a year in cloud storage fees while providing a better, faster, more marketer-friendly service than Google Drive or Dropbox. And PrimeCloud AI is the only platform that allows you to upload and manage unlimited video, images, audios, and documents in seconds, back up all your files so you will never have fear of losing them ever again. Revolutionary compression algorithm makes upload and download super fast and storage a breeze. Kick out expensive and money-sucking third-party cloud storage platforms forever. Get started with your storage journey at the lowest one-time cost. Doubles up as a cloud drive for easy use and collaboration. Auto storage expansion as per usage. One-click third-party sharing enabled. 100% protection of data with free end-to-end SSL encryption, keeping your website graphics, videos, and data secure using our super hosting feature. Directly deliver content from the cloud on the website. Designed to perfection for beginners to make instant profits. Limited time commercial license included to provide high in-demand services to hungry clients. No recurring fee or success tax, and a lot more. All this and more for a low one-time fee. When you have PrimeCloud AI, next generation cloud storage platform, no monthly subscription plans, no restriction or limitation on uploading files, no limitations on any number of files you upload, no fear of account suspension. And here's the coolest part. You're also getting a limited time commercial license to provide red-hot services to hungry business owners and charging reoccurring fees for your services. Finally, you can say goodbye to all money-sucking third-party cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive Cloud, etc. once and for all. Along with this, there are no hassles like paying huge monthly subscription plans, facing restriction or limitation on uploading files, losing data while uploading or downloading, having limitations on any number of files you upload, worrying about the fear of account suspension. Using PrimeCloud AI is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, log in. Step 2, upload documents. Step 3, share, publish, and profit. PrimeCloud AI is designed for anyone who likes to be in full control of their files and videos, but at the same time hates complicated software. It's for you if you simply don't want to pay extra for storage, extra data, want to build something uncomplicated which grows and makes you more and more as it does. It's for you if you're sick and tired of paying monthly subscriptions for storage and hosting platforms in return for mediocre support and massive downtimes. Take my word, if you're tired of going nowhere and want to take complete control of your business, if you're conscious of losing your valuable data, then PrimeCloud AI is happy ending for your constant search. But I'm sure all these benefits will have left you amazed. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting your money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, and we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period gets over, PrimeCloud AI will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab PrimeCloud AI today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck and see you on the inside.